Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this interesting video, I'll be showing you some food you can get on the streets in Onitsha, precisely in Igbo land in general. So I'll have varieties of foods and where they are made from start to finish. I'll be showing you different kinds, so stay tuned. The first one on my list is point and kill. Point and kill. Yes, you heard me right. Point and kill. So this is where you come to a fish pond, you point to the fish that you want, and the man will pick it out. The particular fish you want will be caught for you and will be killed right in front of you, and then the preparation starts. Viewers' discretion is advised. I have to say this, even I was scared when and how this guy just killed this poor fish that I later ate. At this point, I was like, ouch. Now, wow. And the guy started laughing. So basically, the fish is then put on a grill where it is wrapped up in a foil and it is grilled for 45 minutes to an hour. This is the fish with tomatoes, onion, plantain, some salad, cucumber, and lots more. So this is what the fish looks like, and then this is what it was after I was done with the fish. Nothing left. Fish is azu. Just where we had the fish, there were some entertainers dancing, and then it was nice to watch them while we enjoyed our fish. Come to the second part. Suya. Yes, that's how excited I get when I see suya, guys. Suya is great. This is cow meat suya. Yes, cow meat. Cow in Igbo is efi or ehi. Efi or ehi. So anu efi is cow meat, or you can say anu ehi is cow meat. That is how you say it in Igbo language. This suya is beyond delicious. I had a wonderful time with these guys. Each stick cost 200 naira. I got about 5 of them for me and my husband to have dinner with, and it was amazing. Beware, it's very hot. The pepper is too much, I have to tell you. So if you don't like spicy food, so everything you just saw him touch there is pepper. Spicy pepper. Don't say a booty girl, do not warn you. Oh. Pepper in Igbo language is called ose. This part is corn. Corn as in maize. This is amazing, guys.
Corn of maize. Yeah, maize in English. But it's in Igbo corn, oka.
So is this how they bring it in the farm?
Yes. They cut it from the stick and bring it back to the market for them to buy. And once you roast it or you cook it, you can
also boil it in water.
Yes, in water and eat it.
Then you open it like this.
Yes. Yeah, mepes here, yeah, mepe, yeah, top, yeah, top, top, yeah. You share your knuckle, boil it with water, or you roast it like this.
Or you roast it like this?
Yes. Like this one now, they are ready to.
Auntie.
Yes.
This is my auntie since. This is my auntie.
That is true.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. This is my auntie. Auntie, can I have? She became shy and said she cannot greet people she cannot see. So I'm greeting you guys on her behalf.
N'asụsụ nne ya, ịsụ asụsụ gị, ndị be anyị agbatala gị ọsọ, bịa sevu oge zọọ gị gbapụta gị. Ịsụ asụsụ nne dorokwa ya anya ifukwe, sụba Igbo n'Igbo amaka.
Amen. Eziokwu. So nke a kịta ego ni? 150. What of ube? Ube adịbabere. This is coconut. You use it to eat the corn, the roasted corn. Usually you use pear, but there was no pear during this time. It wasn't the pear season yet. Hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, guys, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think so far. So here we go, where I came to another place to buy plantain, roasted plantain and beans. Roasted plantain and beans. Yes, I know all these people selling these things because it's in my neighborhood. So at this point, I was asking her if she was comfortable with showing us what she sells. Plantain and beans. I think I can plantain nibo.
Ogede.
Ogede. Good. You can put beans nibo.
Agwa.
Agwa. I think because one nibo. Oba. Auntie Snaka again.
Opaka.
Oba.
Then vegetable. I na-akpọ ụtazị. Ndị anyị na-akpọ ya ụtazị. Ejikwa eri ya. Azụ agwọ.
Azụ.
Anyị na-enwekwa azụ fridge.
Auntie gosi ọ bụ ofu azụ n'ime ebe ahụ.
Nke a bụ ofu azụ fridge.
Azụ fridge. Ice fish. Azụ fridge. Auntie Mbunka.
Oil.
Okay, nke a bụ
Ready oil.
Yeah, the oil they used to mix it.
Yes.
Auntie, this business, how on Agafia? Well. No, beside NEPA office.
Yes.
No, Onitsha.
Yes.
This is stock exchange now, Badata. Because madne bia plantain and beans. Auntie, can I plantain nibo?
Ogede.
Good. You can put beans nibo.
Agwa.
Auntie, because one nibo. Last but not the least, guys, fio and plantain, which is ogede. Fio and plantain. I don't know how this is made, but it is part of Igbo Street food. This was being bought by somebody else, not myself. I don't know what it is, so I didn't eat it. So yes, this is fio, which is beans and plantain and sauce and roasted yam with some pomo. Yes, it's a bit similar to what we saw in the other shop, but this one is different. Like I said, I haven't tried it before. I was just in the market, somebody was buying it, and I decided to film this. So it is fio and plantain. Plantain being ogede and fio being a type of beans. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think, how you found the video, and other food that I probably did not record. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.